Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to fix Add Yours not working on Instagram. Open your App Store and search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram and update the app to the latest version. After updating, open the Instagram app on your device. Swipe left to access your camera roll and select any video or picture. Tap on Done after selecting the media. Check if the Add Yours feature is working. Close Instagram completely and reopen it. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner and check if the feature is functioning. Open your web browser and search if Instagram is down in your area. Sometimes server issues can affect app functionality. Tap on the first link in the search results to check the service status graph. Ensure there are no disruptions reported. Navigate to your mobile settings. Tap on General, then iPhone Storage, scroll down and tap on Instagram. Offload the app to optimize its performance. These steps should help resolve the issue with the Add Yours feature on Instagram. If the problem persists, ensure your internet connection is stable and try again later. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.